Welcome to your new home in historical Council Grove, Kansas. Check out this 1800s home with a beautiful wraparound porch accented with native Kansas stone. You're going to be greeted by this incredible 500 square foot covered porch. The front parlor room has this grand staircase, very ornate with lots of detail, including walnut panels. It is modernized with white rails and white trim. We have a 12-inch baseboard throughout the home and nice thick 4-inch trim around the doors. Many of the doors are walnut with glass and brass knobs. And this is the pass-through between the parlor and the kitchen. And you're going to notice there's a wine rack and there is a hammer coppered sink for your convenience. There is also walnut inlay in the ceiling. Plus, we've got copper tile for a little accent and a couple cute cubbies. After coming through the pass-through room, you enter into this space that leads you to the kitchen. It has a bar here, and you'll notice there are two doorways, one into the kitchen, one into the sunroom, and they both have transom windows over the top for lots of character. Plus, we have a second entry into the upstairs staircase from this direction and this side of the house as well. We have these incredible oak kitchen cabinets full of all kinds of bells and whistles. These doors you have shelves, slide out drawers, extra slide out drawers, and it's through the whole kitchen, you guys. These are amazing, and they're accented by these beautiful granite countertops. This is the kind of kitchen that everybody dreams of. You've got a gas 5-burner stove, as well as new appliances. You have a gunmetal finish that doesn't collect fingerprints on the fridge and the dishwasher. We have a double sink with a very quiet motor garbage disposal, plus a window right above the sink. And here's where we have modern functionality meeting this old world charm. Look at this dog wash. This could be used as a utility sink, or if you like to do canning, you can soak your soiled clothes in here from working in the garden out back. This is just a phenomenal laundry room, well set up, well designed. Now that we're upstairs, we're gonna find two really big bedrooms, an office that could also serve as a nursery, plus a full bathroom. And of course, you're gonna notice these gorgeous walnut doors. They have a lot of inlay. This one has a brass knob, while this one has a glass knob. So there's just character throughout. I think you're really gonna appreciate it. This is the third bedroom located on the second floor, and it is 13 by 15 with a closet, again made out of solid walnut and a beautiful beveled glass mirror. We have a whole house water filtration system, and you're not going to believe how straight and well put together these rock foundation walls are in the basement. This is a turn-of-the-century 1900s home, and it's very rare to see a basement in this great of condition. And here we have these beautiful room dividers that separate the front room from the formal dining room. These are cabinets with walnut inlay. They have cabinets at the top that you can open to put silverware in. This used to be called a pony wall or a room divider. Flanking the dining room is the sunroom, and you enter through this incredible set of doors that has beautiful 100-year-old beveled glass. This sunroom is flooded with natural light, and it sits between the kitchen and the dining room, and it has an entry onto the back deck. Let's step outside. And if you love to entertain, this multi-level deck is absolutely perfect, and it also leads to the front porch. Spend cozy evenings and lazy summer days enjoying this amazing swing with a fire pit and a second seating area surrounded by a delightful, enchanting garden. And here you have a fenced-in garden so you can keep the little pets and rascals out. And through this gate, you will find some raised garden beds and even a worm farm. The cute little barn-bred shed in the backyard is actually a workshop space, including heat and air with a mini split. And here is parking. You have one stall that is covered and then additional parking here on the side. This area is historical in nature, and people travel far and wide just to come see the area. It sits on a rendezvous point from the original Santa Fe Trail. It has two major railroad crossings from the late 1800s, including the Katy Depot, which is still in existence here in town, along with other state and local historical registered sites that are fun to come and tour and see all of the great history. There are two really nice lakes for plenty of recreation. You're sitting only about 90 miles from all the major cities in the state of Kansas.